the planets. The planets of the solar system, that they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto is not a planet but is a satellite of Neptune. Mercury is the smallest, Neptune is the largest of the planets, and the rest are arranged according to their sizes away from the sun, the smallest being the nearest and the largest being the biggest, the farthest from the sun. The present predominant theory of astronomers and scientists about the formation of the Earth and the planets. They say the planets formed 4.6 billion years ago within the solar nebulae. The solar nebula is a giant disk of gas and dust. The image here is an imaginary image from NASA explaining this solar nebula, which particularly led to the formation of the present planets of the solar system. So the rocky solids, ice, and nebulan gas within the solar nebula aggregated into larger solid bodies over time, eventually becoming the planets. The planets then grew by the accretion, that is formation by sweeping up smaller bodies of planetesimals, smaller, they are the smaller pre-planet bodies. So this is the theory now accepted by astronomers, that that the planets were formed within the solar nebula from aggregation of rocks and debris and gases, then the accretion of the smaller bodies together until the planets were formed. The interpreter of the Quran and the Bible, Muhammad Ali Hassan al-Hilli, who died in the year 1991, he corrected the mistake of scientists in this field. He said the planets, together with the Earth, had been one object. This object then broken up into 9 pieces. They became the planets including the Earth, the 9 planets including the Earth with them. That initial and ancient Earth, which had broken, which was broken into 9 planets, it had been in the past a sun. So the past sun became by time when it became colder, it became an Earth with cold crust around it. This crust was thin. Then the crust prevented the gases, imprisoned the gases within them. Then pressure built until it exploded into 9 pieces, becoming the 9 planets, including the Earth. So the planets are of the same kind as our Earth. The constituents are similar, about similar. They have various elements. They have mountains, they have rivers, they have atmospheric gases, the same as our Earth. So, according to the interpreter of the Quran and the Bible, the formation of the Earth and the present planets took place in this way. There was a previous sun, as it is seen on the left side. Then this sun became colder by time, so it acquired a cold, thin crust. Then this crust prevented the gases and the pressure built inside the sun, which became Earth. Then it burst becoming 9 pieces. These 9 pieces became the planets of our solar. Formation of the earth and the planets according to the Quran. God be glorified said in the Quran, Surah 21, the ayah number 30. أولم ير الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون. The explanation of this great ayah is, do not those who disbelieve consider that the heavens and the earth were compacted as one mass, then we shattered them, and we made of water every living thing. So, would they believe? The interpretation of this ayah, were compacted as one mass, then we shattered them, here means, here in the language of the Quran, literally means, the exact words used are something like sutured and non-sutured. The explanation, they were one piece, then we cracked them and tore them up into many pieces. Because the suturing is opposite in meaning to unsuturing. Here is also another ayah about the formation of the planets, including the earth. God be glorified said also in the Quran, Surah 6, the ayah number 14, قُلْ أَغَيْرَ اللَّهِ أَتَّخِذُ وَلِيًّا فَاطِرِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. The explanation, say Muhammad to the disbelievers, shall I take to myself as protector or patron anyone other than God, the splitter of the heavens and the earth, after being one piece. So he splitted them after they had been one piece. Correcting the wrong concepts of astronomers. Such corrections are derived from the book, the universe and the Quran, written in Arabic by the interpreter of the Quran and the Bible, Muhammad Ali Hassan Al-Hilli, died in the year 1991. This book is found in the website Quran-ayat.com.